To draw a simple pumpkin, you're going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You want to start by drawing a kind of a pumpkin shape like that. And then draw a line down and across and up. And this, we draw a little curve like that, and then another curve like that. A wiggle on the top, and that'll be your stalk. Now let's get a really evil looking pumpkin. So if we do a line like that, and that one goes up, and then we curve those down like that, that gives you kind of evil eyebrows-y kind of eyes and little nose. And then draw a big curve on either side like that, and just pencil in gently kind of across like that. And then we're going to want to do kind of teeth across there as well. This video is inspired by my new book, How to Draw Halloween Stuff Real Easy. It is packed with over 160 Halloween ideas. You can get the book from Amazon, ebook downloads from Amazon and Spring underneath this video. You'll get it for free, as well as lots of other stuff when you join me on Patreon. All the links and details are in the description box below. Now let's start with the stalk up at the top, and we'll come across there and do a little kind of flick around there, and then we can come in there, and that makes it kind of look a bit more 3D. Kind of down there and a curve and then up to there, and you can maybe add a little bit more there to give that kind of pumpkin curvy kind of feel. And we come down there. If you want a little, you can have a little kind of bump at the bottom as well to give it that extra bit of pumpkinness. And we'll draw in those eyes. And then if we draw inside like that and then shade that dark, then that sort of gives the thickness of the skin. And similarly there, if we do it like that, and now we can come and draw the mouth. Oh, I'll add an extra one in there. And here we're going to do this extra kind of thickness for the skin. So we go up and across like that, up and across, and we'll do another one there. We can maybe have a bit there as well, that one that way. And then we just need to shade in all the bit in between. And in case you're wondering, I've switched to a Pentel brush pen because that fills it in a lot more quickly. And then when you're absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase those pencil lines. You can add a few more little sort of lines like that to make that look like the twisted stalk up at the top. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of shading down here at the bottom, and maybe some vertical like that as well, just to make it look a bit darker, crossed over like that. And there you go, how to draw an evil pumpkin. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more videos every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.